guys, I just got this new carbon monoxide alarm detector, and I'm really excited because we've never had one before, but recently I've read some scary stories about things and incidents happening. So let me unbox it for you. It comes with instructions, and then here is the actual detector, and the battery that it comes with, which is so nice, is a 10-year battery, so you don't have to worry about replacing this for quite a while, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go get this installed. I'm gonna show you how it sounds by running the quick test button on it. And I'm thinking of getting a couple more of these. I'm gonna put one outside the bedrooms upstairs, as well as a few in the garage and other places. So got my helper here to help me put the battery in and get this set up for you. One sec. Okay, so I got it plugged in. It was super easy to pop the battery in. Again, it comes with a battery, which is great. And ideally, you're not going to ever hear this alarm go off, but you might periodically just want to press the test button to make sure. So do you see how it's green right now? In the event that it detects, it's going to turn red, and then it's going to make this sound. Hear that? That lets you know. So this thing is great. Again, for the price, it's definitely worth it for your safety and for your pet's safety as well. Family, kids, definitely get this. You'll love it. And again, this just flips up here, it plugs in. I would recommend getting a couple just to make sure your home is safe.